Having trouble with your Tesla Model S key fob? You're not alone. This video will walk you through common reasons why your fob might not be recognized, focusing on pairing problems, interference, and antenna issues. We'll provide DIY solutions and when it's time to call the pros. Common reasons include pairing problems, where the fob isn't synced with your vehicle. Interference from nearby devices can block the signal, and antenna issues can degrade the connection. We'll explore DIY fixes for these issues and know when to seek professional help. The most common fix for key fob issues is repairing your key fob with your Tesla. This process resyncs the fob's unique ID with your car's system. Start by accessing your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to the Controls menu. From Controls, select Locks. Then select Key Fob. Finally, choose Add Key. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will involve pressing buttons on your key fob. This process resyncs the fob's unique ID with your car, restoring proper functionality. A dead or weak battery is one of the most common causes of Tesla Model S key fob problems. According to Tesla service data, battery-related failures account for 40% of all key fob issues. The Model S key fob uses a standard CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which typically lasts 3 to 5 years. Watch how the battery level drops over time. When it gets low, the key fob may stop working reliably, causing pairing issues or complete failure to unlock the car. The solution is simple: replace the CR2032 battery. These batteries cost between $5 and $10 and are available at most stores or online. Make sure to get the correct type, CR2032. To replace the battery, follow these steps. First, carefully pry open the key fob using a small tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Remove the old battery and dispose of it properly. Then insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely. Test the key fob immediately to ensure it works properly. The Tesla Model S uses an antenna located under the rear bumper to receive signals from your key fob. This antenna picks up the radio frequency signals that allow your key to unlock and start the vehicle. Over time, this antenna can become corroded or damaged by water exposure, especially in wet climates or older vehicles. Tesla's multi-antenna setup provides redundancy, but a single point of failure can still prevent proper key fob recognition. Visible signs of damage include corrosion around connection points, as shown in this example of rusty hardware near the antenna location. Water ingress can cause these components to degrade over years of exposure. Internally, the antenna connects to a circuit board with components like the trace antenna, code generator, and RF transistor. These electronic parts can fail if moisture reaches them through damaged seals. While you can check for obvious external damage, antenna issues typically require specialized diagnostic tools at a Tesla service center to identify and repair. Don't attempt DIY fixes, as improper handling could void warranties or cause further damage. For advanced fixes, Tesla introduced the Key Fob Service Program in 2024 for Model S units with confirmed hardware failures. This covers free replacements for persistent issues. Contact Tesla service to see if your vehicle qualifies. Additionally, keep your Tesla software updated. Updates like the V12.X series include enhanced diagnostics for Bluetooth connectivity, helping resolve recognition issues. Tesla has also rolled out a remote key pairing feature in the mobile app, allowing you to pair your device for key access without physical fobs. After exhausting basic troubleshooting like pairing your key fob, checking for interference, replacing the battery, or inspecting the antenna, you may still face persistent issues. This is when professional help becomes necessary. Tesla service centers are equipped with specialized diagnostic tools that can identify complex problems, such as faults in the body control module that manages your vehicle's key systems. Attempting advanced repairs yourself could void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. The BCM is the brain of your Tesla's electronic systems, handling everything from key recognition to vehicle security. If diagnostics point to BCM issues, professional technicians can perform precise repairs or replacements. While basic fixes like battery replacement are straightforward DIY tasks, more complex issues such as BCM malfunctions require professional intervention. Statistics show that 60 to 70% of key fob problems can be resolved by users, but the remaining 10 to 15% need hardware replacement by certified technicians. Key takeaways. If your key fob issues persist after basic troubleshooting, visit a Tesla service center. Their specialized equipment can handle BCM faults and other complex problems. Remember, attempting advanced repairs yourself may void your warranty. Tesla is evolving its key technology toward digital solutions, with phone-based keys becoming the standard. While physical key fobs have been reliable, Tesla is phasing them out in favor of more convenient digital alternatives. By 2026, a large percentage of Model S owners are already using the Tesla app as their primary key, eliminating the need for physical fobs. Understanding fob troubleshooting remains important for legacy Model S owners during this transition period. By 2030, Tesla plans to discontinue fob support in legacy models, fully emphasizing software-based keys for enhanced security and convenience. This shift represents Tesla's commitment to innovative, secure access solutions for the future.